The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for DeKalb County at north central Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near McHenry County, and the tornado was moving east at 34 miles an hour. The tornado will be near 5 points in DeKalb and McHenry filled by 6:56 p.m. EDT. If you wait or see to hear it's coming, it's may too late to get in a safe place. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. for north Wisconsin, north central Iowa, central Missouri, southeast Indiana and extreme Kentucky. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: DeKalb, Illinois,